I need to fan myself. Oh, I'm sweating. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to UB's Creation. This is an introduction video and I'm so excited to be doing this video. My name is Ubokobong Titus. I'm from Akwa Ibom. I am female from Lagos. So I came to Lagos to search for a greener pasture. And I'm still searching. Please, if you know where greener pasture is, please call me. Oh, my journey here has not been an easy one. So it's been a mixture of the good, the bad, and the ugly. But it was really a nice it's a nice experience. I don't regret the fact that I left home, but all of it I've learned. I've grown to be. It has molded me to be the woman I am now. Yes, your girl is on a journey of self-discovery. I'm still discovering myself each and every day. I am passionate about a lot of things. I love cooking and I would love to share my recipes with you. Akwa Ibom girl. Akwa Ibom girl when no sabi cook. Is that one Akwa Ibom girl? I have a little thing for fashion, so I'll be showing you some of my fashion sense. I'm a graphic designer. Most of everything you see in this channel, starting from thumbnail, I'm the one that's doing it. I'm the one. I'm the first behind everything in this channel. So I have a lot of tips and tricks, hacks that are very important in everyday's life. So guys, stick with me. I know you're gonna love it. Yeah, I've watched thousands of videos on YouTube that'll be telling you when you're starting, niche down. Yeah, niching is it's very nice to start with, but right now I'm exploring a lot of things. I'm still getting acquainted with my audience to get to know the best video that will mesmerize them. Then I can get to niche down, but for now I'm exploring. Yeah, so stick with me, please. Stick with me, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that whenever I post a video, you'll be the first to watch. Yes, guys. Yeah, so like I said, on a journey of self-discovery. I just want to experiment and see what really suits me. And I want you to join me in this journey of self-discovery because I need you. Definitely I do. So I was actually afraid to start this, and I'm so happy that I'm able to do this. Like, I was afraid to start because I was wondering how I will communicate through to my audience. How do I make them know that I'm this amazing person? When you have no idea of what to expect, it becomes very challenging, Everywhere is saturated, big YouTubers everywhere, and this is me just starting this channel. I've come to understand in life that sometimes we don't get what we want. Sometimes we might see the unexpected, but even as that doesn't stop us from trying. That doesn't stop us from living our dreams. And I want you to stick around so that you'll be motivating me. If you're here, I'll be motivated to do a lot more. You understand? If you want to be seeing this beautiful face in the screen, please support me. Subscribe, stick around. You will enjoy this channel. I believe me, you're gonna like it, guys. I need to fan myself. Oh, I'm sweating. You see what I'm doing just for you? And you don't want to like my video, you don't want to subscribe, please do subscribe. Guys, thank you so much for sticking around. And if you want to see more of this face, please like, subscribe. If there is anything you want me to talk about, please comment below so that I'll be motivated to doing more videos like this. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm so grateful.